If you're looking for the best NordVPN coupon code in 2025, this is the video you've been searching for. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can save over 70% on one of the fastest and most secure VPNs out there, plus get up to 4 extra months free. And I'll explain why I personally use NordVPN every single day. I've tested a lot of VPNs over the years, some good, some terrible, and I always end up coming back to NordVPN. Why? Because it delivers on everything that matters: speed, security, and reliability. Whether I'm working from a coffee shop, streaming content from another country, or just making sure my data stays private at home, NordVPN has never let me down. They use military-grade encryption, which basically means your internet traffic is locked away in a secure tunnel that no one can peek into. Not hackers, not your internet provider, not even NordVPN themselves. And that's not just a claim. They have a strict no-logs policy that's been independently audited, so you know your activity isn't being tracked or sold. One of my favorite features is threat protection. This isn't just a VPN. It actively blocks malware, trackers, and dangerous websites before they even load. I've noticed fewer annoying ads, safer browsing, and peace of mind knowing I'm protected even if I click something by accident. With over 7,800 servers worldwide, you can connect almost anywhere for the best possible speed. And if you want extra privacy, there's Double VPN, which encrypts your data twice, and a kill switch that instantly disconnects you from the internet if your VPN drops, so your real IP is never exposed. And here's the best part. Right now, through the VPNlist.com, you can get NordVPN with over 70% off and up to 4 extra months free. This isn't one of those sketchy coupon sites with expired codes. The VPNlist.com is a trusted source that reviews VPNs in depth and only lists deals that actually work. I use it myself whenever I renew. The link to this exclusive offer on the VPNlist.com is in the comment below. Just click it, grab your discount, and start protecting your online life today. And if this video helped you out, hit the like button, leave a comment to let me know which VPN features you use the most, and subscribe for more honest tech tips and deals that actually work.